Hello guys. So been getting a lot of requests what to get in grocery shop, what kind of foods do I need to eat to get lean, to lose that belly fat, because I totally understand you, like especially nowadays there's so much information out there in the internet, what to get, what diet is the best, so it can get really complicated. As well as when you go in grocery, there's like millions of like products, and you're not really sure which one to take, right? Which one is the healthiest option. So I hope this video will be valuable for you. I'm just gonna run you through like my grocery haul, what I usually get to like get lean, to build muscle. So yeah, let's dive into the video. So yeah, let's get some protein, get some gains. Look at supermarket. So let's get the most important things first. So also an easy like calorie switch to lose that belly fat is not getting like bananas but getting berries, like it's easy, like you can see how what's the difference, especially between carbs. So when I'm like dieting, I always go for like blueberries, blueberries. Raspberries are as well good, but I will take strawberries today. Another easy like calorie saving tip is not getting like a olive oil in a bottle, but getting like a spray, So you can see, let's say like this olive oil has like a lot of calories, right? But if you take this spray, like this is gonna like save you so much calories, so always go for like spray if you want. Another thing, of course, protein, meat, if your like goal is weight loss, definitely go for chicken, lean has a lot of protein, no fat. What else I love steak is also good. Check it out. And of course, one of the most favorite things here, and I'm lucky to have it because I'm currently in Latvia, it's like have it like these protein drinks, which is like 40 grams of protein. I take the natural one, it's more without sugar. And also, like, if you have availability, take cottage cheese. It's like full of protein, For example, this, it's like cottage cheese. How much it is? It's like 100 grams and 12 grams of protein. So basically this one small thing has 24 grams of protein. Another protein king is of course eggs. Usually take eggs and egg whites separate. So, egg whites. Also easy like dessert snack is like Greek yogurt, with some fruit. One of my favorite ones. This alone. Another like calorie saving tip is, I know you like probably rice, but if you like trying to like lose weight, you can have like better choice, and it's gonna be more filling. It's like not rice but potatoes. Like sweet potatoes are good, regular potatoes are good. So yeah guys, when you make these small changes, you don't even need to like track your calories. If you like go for these healthier, low calorie options, you're definitely gonna get in good shape. So yeah guys, this was like small grocery tour, what I usually get in the shop. Now I'm gonna go home, just gonna pack out all the stuff and gonna walk you through as well, like why did I choose this, you know, why you should maybe choose this, like. But yeah, I see you at home. Now home, got the groceries done. It was like a small grocery shopping, was nothing like too big as well, because I had already a lot of like stuff home. For example, I had like chicken, potatoes, rice, that's like almost always I have it, you know. So just bought some like smaller things, you know. So let's check it out. So yeah, bananas, right? As I said, if you're like trying to lose weight, getting lean, I would suggest better to opt in for options like this. Berries, strawberries, raspberries, you know. Avocados, really great fat source as well. Maybe not the best choice when you're dieting. For me, I'm not dieting, so I'm okay with that. Nuts as well, fats, right? Greek yogurt, protein. This is also like a protein drink, again, like a lot of protein. Probably where you're located, you also have different kind of options like these. Try to always look for natural ones. Like this is, I like this one because it's like really actually almost like natural, you know. Of course, eggs, also protein, egg whites, protein, and cottage cheese. So basically this is all protein based, carbs, fats, right? And once you understand like this kind of macronutrient like game, you know, it's easy to go to the grocery shops, you know. For me, I've been like in fitness space for 5 years, you know. For me it's like easy. So yeah, maybe for you it's a bit harder because you don't have that knowledge about like what kind of foods I should get, right? And it can be complicated, as I said. But yeah, just enjoy the process, you know. If you feel stuck in this journey, like get some guidance, because yeah, nutrition is one of the most important things, if not the most important thing in our lives, right? Without good nutrition, or health is like not thriving, right? And yeah, also for me in school, you know, high school, like there was like zero knowledge about or guidance about nutrition. It was all my own learning, you know. Also getting help from other coaches, like mentors that educated in this journey. And I hope this video was valuable also for you, you know, educating from my own knowledge to you. And I hope you can also implement this into your routine, into your nutrition, and gonna see like great results, even if you make these small changes what I today showed you. So I hope this video was valuable. If it was, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I see you in the next video.